Radio Caca is holding strong at the .002 support. So today, I want to go over where I think we are headed and also some fundamental news. Welcome back to Crypto Tax Club, where you win the tax game like the whales do. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We provide you with our fundamental and technical analysis on your favorite crypto. Also remember, none of this is financial advice. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get started. Radio Caca fell as low as .0015 when Bitcoin dropped below $33,000. It stayed there for roughly 2 days and quickly made its way back to that super strong support of .00192, or let's say .002, which is this red line. So where are we headed from here? To answer that question, we have to switch over to Bitcoin and see what direction Bitcoin is headed. Then we can switch back to Raca to see how it will do with respect to Bitcoin's price. So this is the Bitcoin on the daily chart. If we look back at the time when Bitcoin dropped to $29,000, and then take the measuring tape and measure. It took roughly 98 days to hit the bottom. If you compare this to the last time we hit an all-time high in November, we are roughly around 84 days. So we are very close to the bottom, or may already hit the bottom at 33,000. One of the reasons why I think the bottom is in is because of the relative strength index. When the price reached the bottom at 33,000, the RSI was extremely low at 20%. The last time we saw this low of an RSI was when it hit the bottom of 29,000, which was at 24%. So we are even lower than a $29,000 bottom. I do want to mention that even though the bottom might be in, we are nowhere near close to being in an uptrend. The market can go back down or sideways for a couple more months. The market is still very fearful, and it's possible that we can go down if there's more negative news about the economy, inflation, or rising interest rates. In order for us to be in an uptrend, we need Bitcoin to break 50,000. And the reason is because if you look at the Ichimoku cloud, you can clearly see that we are still in the bearish territory. We will need to see the price to be in the green cloud in order to break that bearish cycle. So from a technical perspective, 50,000 is a very important price to break. Unfortunately, we are only at 38,000, so we will need a few weeks or even months to start seeing a reversal. That is a 32% gain from here. So now let's flip back to Raca. So you have to ask yourself, will Raca rise double digits percentage if Bitcoin is trading sideways? Well, it's possible with the good fundamentals, but let's pretend that there's no news. Let's pretend that Bitcoin breaks that $50,000, which may signal an uptrend and a new bull cycle. Where would Raca be at? So the last time Bitcoin was at 50,000 was on December 26. Raca at the time was priced at around .0037, which would be about a 70% return. Raca does have a lot of fundamental news and developments, such as the partnerships with universities, which I find it to be very interesting. So I wanted to show you a couple tweets and partnerships. Radio Caca will be partnering up with USC to build metaverse ceremonies. USC is the University of Southern California. It is one of the top schools in the US. Radio Caca plans to construct an eco-friendly ceremony system within the USM metaverse. Next is a partnership with UT Austin to build a virtual world together within the USM metaverse. And then there's Cambridge University to build a metaverse education. And finally, ITU Blockchain Society in Turkey, where they will be hosting NFT exhibitions, workshops, and events in the USM. This is all great news because these are real use cases of the USM metaverse. These partnerships are going to be great to get more publicity, and I can only imagine that more universities, schools, and even events will start coming on board, which will have a direct relationship with Raca's price. So let me know if you guys have any comments. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you all later.